Okay, so now it's 4. Let all of them join together. Then after I will start. So students, let us start. So all of you have received your routine for your term 1. Already you have received your syllabus for term 1, right? Good morning. Very good morning, Priyam. So already I know everyone has started their preparation for your term 1 examinations also. So let it be clear about the examination that you will be having 50 questions. There will be multiple choice questions, MCQ questions for all of you, and there will be what? Yes, 50 minutes time also. Okay, so one question, 1 minute time, and don't be in hurry. Just read all the questions properly. Each and every question you will read properly. Then after, what you will do? You will then after click on the correct option. Okay, so usually just reading the first 2 or 3 words, we go for the answer. So don't do it. You just read it properly, and then after you go for your correct option. Okay, so today we are going to start the revision. Already we have started before our holidays. Now we are going to continue. This is the second class of revision, and today I am going to give you some sentences, and you will tell me what correction is needed in this sentence. Okay, so let me write the sentence on the board so that you can identify what is the correction needed in the sentence. So the first one, okay, so my chat box is open now. All of you are ready? The heading will be replace the correct, the wrong word actually, replace the wrong word with the correct one. Okay, with the correct one. Replace the wrong word with the correct one. Okay, now what is that? Replace the wrong word with the correct one. I will be giving you one sentence. There will be one wrong word in it, and you have to replace, again write that sentence with the correct word. So the first one, here comes your first sentence. I hope everyone can see the board. Here comes your first sentence, and that is, so let us see. Okay, Shyam Prabhu has given answer. Let me see. Priyam has given answer, and Shrestha has given answer. No, still I have not received answer of Shrestha. She is writing. Hanifa is also writing. Okay, Hanifa, once more you try it better. I think there is some mistake as you were in hurry. So Shrestha has given answer. Shrestha, full stop is missing better. And Moyuk also, full stop is missing. When you are writing a sentence, you have to take care of the punctuations. So here the word are is wrong. Instead of are, we have to write the correct answer, that is I am sad. Okay, I am sad. I'm not happy now. I am sad. So am is the wrong word. R is the wrong word. In place of R, I have to write am. Okay, I have to write am. Now let's go for the next one. Number 2. I hope everyone has written. Now let's go for number 2. So the second sentence is she am in class KG. She am in class KG. So what will be the correct sentence? Okay, so Ashmita has given the answer in objective order. Okay, Ashmita. And Shyama Prabhu has written the sentence. 3 more are writing. Let's see what will be the correct answer. Come on, fast, fast, students. Let me see how many of you, Ashmita and Shyama Prabhu, first and second. Let's see who is going to be the third one. Okay, so I got the answer from Priyam, and Priyam is the third one. Shrestha is the fourth one. She is in class KG. Yes, it's the word am over here wrong. She am in class KG. It's a wrong sentence. Here am should not be used. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer is she is in class KG. Why we have used is not are? Because she, it's a single person, singular. So she is a single person. That's why we have used is. Okay. Now let's go for the third sentence. And the third sentence is and the third sentence is what? The third sentence is the tea are cold. So what will be the correct one? So Shyama Prabhu has given the first answer now. Next, let's see who is the second and third one. So 4 people are writing till now. And students, after this sentence, please put your attendance over here. Put P for your attendance. Okay. Okay. So I got the answer. The tea is cold. Very good. Priyam, full stop is missing, beta. Please take care of that one. Moyuk also. Please take care of your full stop. Okay. So that is the correct sentence. Now the wrong word is are. The answer will be the tea is cold. The tea is cold. Okay. Very nice. Next comes the fourth one. Still, some of them has not given their attendance. Please. Only 4 students. Still 4 students have not given their attendance. So please give your attendance. Still 3 students have not given the attendance. Yes. Still 1. Still 1. Still 1 student is there who has not given the attendance. Yes, now it's fine. Thank you, Granthana. So these are the students. Now let's go for the next sentence. Number 4. Number 4. So number 4, we are having so they is famous. They is famous. So what will be the correct answer? 5 are writing. Granthana, I'm not getting your answer, beta. So very good. Shyama Prabhu first, Ashmita second, and Shrestha third. Very good. So all of you have given the correct answer, and this time you have all maintained the punctuations also. Very nice. Excellent. So yes, this one is a wrong word. When we are using they, that means it's more than one plural. So our answer will be they are famous. Okay, they are famous. And now we will do the last sentence. Okay, so number 5, we will do the last sentence. Everyone has copied down this one? Okay. Here comes your last sentence. So who is going to do it first? Let's see. Who is going to do it first? Who is going to do it first? Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. Ashmita is the first one. Shyama Prabhu is the second one. And is going to be the third one. Yes, Moyuk Majhi. Excellent. Shrestha has done. Very good, Shrestha. So, here comes Rahul are a good boy. But here, our word is not correct. So, we are going to write down the answer. That is, Rahul is a good boy. Okay. Rahul is a good boy. So here are is not the appropriate word, is the appropriate word. Okay. So students, these type of questions you are going to get. So follow the classes, whatever you are getting on your live classes, and even the offline videos for all of you, so that you can do your revisional part very nicely, and you can focus on the points which you need to concentrate during this studies. Okay, so I will be back again with a new class of science. So till that time, take care of yourself and bye bye. Thank you so nice. You are most welcome, beta.